y'all first seen her the first time, we was out at Chick-fil-A, they're doing a little slight ball to let you know that we here. And you with me for the weekend, you know? I'm the Lynch Bob of the weekend. But see, we coming at y'all with something a little bit different. What we doing tonight? Swap phone on couples, man. We gonna catch one that's being loyal, and we gonna catch one that's not being loyal. Come on, man. So let's catch why we finna get it doing tonight, man. Alright, so on your way. Alright, so basically today, we're gonna do a little couple shopping. I got smartphone for Thursday. Alright? So, y'all got this issue. See who's gonna go first. I got Robert City for it. Yeah. Alright, come on, hey. Come on, bring it up. Yeah, you get my phone.
No, I thought it was the same time.
No.
Y'all loyal.
They passed that loyalty test. Now can I get a slight one, you know? You're welcome. Okay.
This is my son. He off the chain. Thank you, baby.
Yeah, you good, you good.
He think he about 13, 14. He really do. He only been about to turn 9.
I mean,
We be around a lot of older kids though. He plays sports and stuff, so he's around older kids.
I mean that's good because then you can learn stuff from it, you know.
Bro, look at your shoe. It's cold outside. You told what thing? How you shoe?
All right, y'all have a nice night. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. So then the mom came up to me and was like, thank you and stuff. And now the couple just came up to me that I told you earlier. My card. Always remember, when you do good deeds, you get good deeds done back to you. Huh? Kid. Let go. Come on, man. Man, let's have some fun tonight, man.
I need to go on this side. See, I get it. bro. This boy just blessing. This boy just blessing people. Look, it's a couple. It's a couple buying shoes right now. But how I turn this off? How I turn this off? Wait.
Red button.